The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 2. Parliament. Conduct of Business. Article 100. Voting, in Houses, power of Houses to act, notwithstanding vacancies and quorum. 1. Save as otherwise provided in this Constitution, all questions at any sitting of either House, or joint sitting of the Houses, shall be determined by a majority of votes, of the members present and voting, other than the Speaker or person acting as Chairman or Speaker. The Chairman or Speaker, or person acting as such, shall not vote in the first instance, but shall have and exercise a casting vote, in the case of an equality of votes. 2. Either House of Parliament shall have power to act, notwithstanding any vacancy in the membership thereof, and any proceedings in Parliament shall be valid, notwithstanding that it is discovered subsequently, that some person who was not entitled so to do, sat or voted, or otherwise took part in the proceedings. 3. Until Parliament by law otherwise provides, the quorum to constitute a meeting, of either House of Parliament shall be 1/10 of the total number of members of the House. 4. If at any time during a meeting of a House there is no quorum, it shall be the duty of the Chairman or Speaker, or person acting as such, either to adjourn the House or to suspend the meeting until there is a quorum.